How to factory reset your Apple TV. In order to factory reset your Apple TV, all you have to do is to simply launch the settings app on your Apple TV first. Make sure that there isn't really anything that you need. Then after that, you can scroll down and go to this option called System and select it. From System, you can scroll down and under Maintenance, you can find the option called Reset. Select Reset. It will give you two options. To reset it, to restore your Apple TV to factory settings and erase all settings and information, or you can select Reset and Update, so it will reset and update to restore your Apple TV to factory settings, erase all the settings and information, and also at the same time update to the latest tvOS version. You could select whatever it is that you need and just go ahead and then plug in. Make sure that you don't get powered off in between, that could cause potential issues to your Apple TV. And after that, you should be able to reset it. It may take a while, but it will be done in no time. That is all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.